Good morning. If you want to make a real French dessert, you need some bread, you need some marmalade, here are strawberries, and of course coffee. So I will start with bread. I take a slice, I put in the plate, then I open my marmalade. I take a little bit of it with the knife. Well, I'll try anyway. And I put it on the bread. Come on. Then I do it like this. Not too much because it's sweet. A little bit more. Well, I'll do it quickly. Still more. With a spoon is easier. Right. It's going to be so sweet. But I like it. Try to have the same shape of marmalade everywhere. It takes a little bit of time, but that's worse. Okay. And then you just put it in your mouth and eat. Of course, don't forget your cup of coffee. Bye-bye. Enjoy it.